I am in the zombie.
222.
222.
2 motors, 2 controllers, and 2 damn fast, brother.
Oh, yeah.
I'll wait for a break in traffic. Don't want to burn up my tires, you know.
Right.
So we're just creeping along, enjoying life.
Oh, shit.
Oops. It broke loose.
Oh, damn. God damn. Somebody's like a roller coaster.
That was 100.
Damn.
We're now at 60.
Oh, shit. Oh, man. That's awesome.
Alright, let's see. I'll make sure my overdrives are engageable. Yeah. We're going to use one overdrive. Make sure this isn't a cop behind me. Oh, it's a Jaguar. Oh, he wants to play. Let me get straight. We're doing 60 miles an hour. And we're at 65.
Bye-bye.
That's 130.
Damn.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, blew his doors off.
Oh, you wouldn't even know it hit him. It's easy to forget that this is still a 68 Mustang and I got to slow it down for 130 miles an hour.
Right.
But so we went through 2 overdrives just then. I have 4.
Okay.
That's to get me to 200 miles an hour. So if I crank the power back up, so right now we're probably running 800 horse, about 1,600 foot-pounds of torque.
And I can feel every bit of it too.
I know, so like, I don't want to do a big burnout here, but let's say that like we just stopped, we want to spin the tires, it's literally this easy. I can do it all day long. That's what it sounds like. So this car answers the age-old question, what is the sound of burning rubber? Because the motor doesn't cut the sound.
Right.
Oh. So do you like it?
Hell yeah. It was not to like about it. Shit.
Slowing down is hard because I've got, I think I'm running 11-inch rotors, and I really need to upgrade to 13s in the front.
Mm-hmm.
I also haven't adjusted my proportion valve. Since I've got so much weight in the back, I could let the back wheels do a lot more braking.
Right.
And I've just got to get out here and do it and fiddle with the proportion valve, because when I ran the Texas Mile, I hit 178, and you have a half-a-mile runoff. And I almost literally could not get the car stopped, and it was terrifying because I'm standing on the brakes at 170 miles an hour waiting for the rear end to flip around and wreck me. And I made it, finally got stopped and picked up my ticket. Smoke was boiling off the front rotors. They were just cooked, and the back ones were just fine. So I know I don't have it set up right.
Right.
Oh, come on, man. Yes.
That is hell of a ride.
So what I like to do is deal with it from a rolling, where I don't have to burn my tires. Like right now, I'm going to slow down to 40 miles an hour. We are now at 40, and we're going to just go through it. And there's 50, 60, 80, 90, and I'm only going over bad.
This mud is fast. God.
Even, you know, even at we're doing 70, and we're going up a pretty steep hill. I want to get to 80. Okay, right there's 85. Right there's 100. Okay.
Damn.
Slow it down. Don't get a ticket. My big fear is one day I'm gonna hear, and they're gonna say, "We're gonna take the car." All right. You know what that was, right? My front spoiler.
Your front spoiler.
I just cracked it, busted it.
Oh, damn.
I forgot we had it set up for the Texas Mile, so we dropped the whole front 1.5 inches more than normal. I always fly in here like that, and I haven't done it since the Texas Mile.
Oh.
That's all right. You know what? I have a shop. That's what we do.
Right.